If you're looking for the best leadership courses on Coursera, you may be wondering which one is worth taking. In this review, I'll cover the top leadership courses and who they're best for. Before we begin, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. One of the best options is Strategic Leadership and Management from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.8-star rating with more than 11,000 reviews. You'll learn business strategy, strategic leadership, negotiation, organizational change, conflict management, stakeholder management, and leadership development. Another excellent choice is Leading People and Teams from the University of Michigan. This specialization also has a 4.8-star rating with over 12,000 reviews. It teaches team building, people management, leadership, employee development, motivation, goal setting, and team performance management. If you want to improve your soft skills, emotional intelligence and leadership is a great pick. This beginner course has a 4.8-star rating. You'll learn empathy, communication, conflict management, self-awareness, relationship building, and emotional intelligence. These are essential skills for every leader. For experienced professionals, I also recommend Boost Your Leadership Impact from Harvard Business Review. This intermediate specialization has a 4.7-star rating. It focuses on delegation, coaching, communication, constructive feedback, emotional intelligence, and leading high-performing teams. If you only need one course, buying it separately may be enough. But if you plan to study leadership, management, business, project management, or communication, Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs. With the current promotion, you'll pay just $35.40 per month for your first 3 months instead of $59 per month. If you're ready to start learning, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.